Today, I'm going to have an unboxing for you for some beautiful jewelry from Gona Jewelry. So they did actually reach out to me and ask if I want to pick out a few things to review for you guys. And when I looked at their website, their bracelets and charm bracelets and necklaces and earrings are just so exquisitely beautiful. So I was definitely interested, and I thought it would be something that you guys would be interested in as well. So I said yes immediately, and I wanted to share with you what I picked out from Gona Jewelry. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into the unboxing, I want to tell you a little bit about them. And then also I have a 20% discount to share with you guys. It's going to be AP20. I'm going to put it up on the screen. I will also have it in the description box for you guys, along with links, website, all kinds of details for you in the description box if you are interested and want to check it out. They do have a flagship store in Paris along with a charm boutique, which if I'm ever in Paris, I'm definitely going to check it out and see these in person because they are absolutely beautiful online. Now, I haven't seen the bracelet or the earrings that they sent me in person. We're going to unbox it together. So they focus a lot on charms. You can get a necklace and put your charms on the necklace. You can also get some earrings, put charms on the earrings, and then of course the bracelets. And there are a ton of different themes that they have. So I really love a charm bracelet because it can show your personality. So you can pick out some charms that would be specific to you, and you can have different themed charms. It's just such a nice personal way to have a piece of jewelry, and it's also a great gift. If you want to give a personalized gift to someone, a charm bracelet is a perfect way to do that because of the fact that you can pick their likes and get some charms that would go along with that, and it's just such a great personalized gift. But I picked out something from their Marine Collection 2024. So they just recently partnered with the Oceanic Preservation Society. So anything that you purchase from the Marine Collection, they do donate $2 for each piece that you buy to helping with their initiatives. So they are supporting marine life and the efforts to help protect the oceans. So I'm so excited when a company gives back to some really important charities. So I love that anything that you buy from this Marine Collection does go toward helping with those beautiful animals in the ocean and to help protect the ocean and the ecosystem. So they offer top quality jewelry at reasonable prices because they don't have that middleman, so they cut the cost for you and sell directly to you. So they have free shipping worldwide for over $39, and then they have 365-day warranty and 30-day returns. So you can't lose by checking out and trying out some of their beautiful pieces. So I can't wait any longer. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I have not opened it yet. I did just cut the seal so it would be easier to show you guys. So this is what it's going to look like. It's packaged very beautifully, and it says, "Thank you for choosing us." So you're going to have this as the first thing. It says, "Have a nice day" on the back of it. And what this is going to be is, it gives you a certificate of donation in grateful recognition. It has your name, and it talks about the support for marine conservation. And so you get a little certificate for helping to donate and help with the ocean preservation. And then also you're gonna get this little pamphlet. It also has their flagship store and their charm boutique that's in Paris. So a little bit of information on the back of this on how to care for them. And then you also have this test report, which I've never seen before with jewelry. It's a 925 sterling silver certificate. And then I saw another little card on that that says "Beautiful Life with You." And then let's see what's in here. Oh, "Dear Amanda." So it's a personalized note for me, which is really neat. I love that. So that's really beautiful. And then you can see I have two items in here, so two boxes. And these boxes are really gorgeous, you guys. So let's go ahead and start with the earrings, the smaller box. This is in an emerald with a gold writing on here, so very sophisticated and elegant looking. So let's see what's in this box. So these are the earrings. Now, they do have some larger hoop earrings where you can put some of your charms on there. You can't actually put the charms on this one, but these are really pretty, you guys. So let me see if I can focus this in and you can see a close-up. There are some diamond looks to this, and this is going to be the 925 with the 14 karat gold plating on top of that. And I'm going to try to get you some still pictures where you can see this, but I'm also going to try them on so you can see what the size of it is on the ears. And the way that you open them is you just open that way, and they do feel very strong and durable. So now I have these on and just look how beautiful these are. They're just the right size. They're so elegant looking. They can be used daily and they feel like they're great quality, but they are not very heavy on your earlobes. So really nice just how you can use these as an everyday earring. I think this is such an elegant look. So let's move on to the bracelet. I cannot wait to see it. So then here you have the bracelet, and again, this box is such a beautiful box, and it looks like there may be a bag underneath this too. So this is really neat. If you are giving this to someone as a present, you can just put your item down there and present it this way, and look how elegant looking this is. So beautiful. This would be such a pretty presentation. They have this little ribbon on the top, just gives it that little extra like you were actually shopping in their Paris boutique. So neat. And then it looks like you have a polishing cloth that comes in this as well. So that is great to take care of this. So let's go ahead and open this together, you guys. Oh, so this is neat. They already have it put together for you, so I don't have to show you how that comes together. Now, this was one that was already put together, so they do have some collections where they have already curated some bracelets for you. They've already picked out like the bracelet, but if you want to go all out and really personalize it, you have the option to pick out the bracelet itself and then every charm that comes on it. But I really loved the collection of the charms that they had already set, so I went ahead and got it. But I love this presentation also for this because it has this little ring in here, so you can keep this in there and keep it protected and separated out and store it this way if you want to do that. So let's get this out of the box and let me go over all the charms with you and then put it on. I really hope that you're being able to see the beauty of this. The gold looks so nice. It is the 925 with the 14 karat gold plating over it, or if you decide to get the white look, it does have the white gold over it. I mean, that's so stunning, you guys. So this was the Ocean Adventures charm bracelet that had already been curated together. And the actual bracelet part, can you see this, you guys, has a shell. And the shell has some diamond look on it. I'm trying to focus that really good, you guys, so you can see that. But that's really neat. And then this at the end is something that is going to keep your charms from sliding off. Now, I was on a cruise with my friend last year, and I got one of those charm bracelets where you get one of the charms every day. So when you're at port, you get a different charm every day. And I got so aggravated every time that I went to go put it on because my charms would fall off. They would just slide off that one side. So I love that they have this option that you can put on the end of it. So no matter how many charms you have on here, they're not going to fall off because they're going to stop when they get to this point. So I love that feature of it. And this particular one has hearts on it. So pretty, you guys. So I'm going to try to put like a picture from their website on there so you can actually see that as well, because I'm trying to focus this and it's just really not showing how beautiful this bracelet is. So let's go ahead and go over the charms. So this one is the anchor and helm dangle charm. So you can see you've got the little anchor here, and then you've got the like ship's wheel, and it does have that diamond look in it as well. And then you have another one of those anchor and helms right here. So you've got the dangle, and then you've got the other one that sits right here. And one of the reasons that I loved this bracelet so much and how they had curated this is I do take quite a bit of cruises, and I thought this was really neat to take there. But also I love the fact that they also give back to helping protect the animals and the ecosystem in the ocean. So I do love that part about it. All of the marine charms and the whole collection, it is in the like blues theme. Like you've got the lighter blues, the darker blues to kind of represent the ocean, which I love too, because you know, that's such beautiful colors together. So this one has a little sailboat on here in the ocean, and it's called the Sail Away charm. Another reason I loved this one, because you know, as you're sailing away on a cruise, this is perfect. And then this one is called the Blue Life Buoy. And then it looks like it has a little diamond on the inside. And then this one, it may be one of my favorite ones. It's the Black Shark. The only thing that this bracelet is missing is a dolphin. It would have been perfect with a dolphin. And then the last one right here, as you can see if I can focus those in on you guys, is the Blue Captain and his anchor. So you've got another anchor here. So all this anchor and then the Black Shark in the boat is just a great nautical theme. So if you love that nautical theme and you want to also help with the ocean preservation, then the Marine Collection, is such a great option. The bracelets also come in 3 different sizes, so you wanna make sure that you account for putting the charms on. You don't wanna pick the bracelet that would be your normal size, because when you add these on, it does make it a little bit tighter. So I actually chose the largest size, but there are 3 sizes, and I believe on their website, it even gives you a little bit of a guideline to help you choose which one would be best for you. And then the way you get into here is real easy. You can just stick your fingernail in there, and it opens up, and then you can put it on, and it's easy to put on by yourself. Let me just put it on real quick. This is an absolutely stunning bracelet. Can you see all of those charms? And again, this is a little bit big, but I did want to make sure I had plenty of room for all the charms. And if I add some more charms, it's going to be a little bit smaller, but definitely look how cute this is. I love this. It looks so sophisticated. And of course, I like the charms to kind of be up here so you can see them as you're resting your arm. They put a lot of effort in their charms. It's not just something that you're going to see from one side. You have beautiful details all the way around, and they just look so stunning. They look like the more expensive real 14 karat gold charms. Like even this one that has the sail away has little stars like engraved on the inside of this. It's just so incredible how much detail have went in every single one of these charms. Every single way you look, it has a beautiful workmanship. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.